If you want to understand what's really driving your app's growth or where it's quietly leaking users, you need to go beyond downloads and surface metrics. You need cohort analysis. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use cohort analysis to make smarter ASO decisions, track retention over time, and uncover what keeps users coming back or dropping off. What is cohort analysis? A cohort is a group of users who took a specific action during the same time period, like installing your app on the same day or week. Cohort analysis tracks how those users behave over time, how long they stay active, when they drop off, how their usage patterns differ by channel or campaign. For ASO, this means you're not just asking how many installs did I get, you're asking which installs actually stick. Why it matters for ASO. Here's the truth. Not all downloads are equal. A user from your main listing might churn in 24 hours. A user from a custom product page might stay for 30 days. A search ad user might convert fast but drop fast too. Cohort analysis helps you tie acquisition strategy to real retention. That's what makes your growth sustainable. In the eyes of the App Store and Google Play, better retentions, better app quality equals better rankings. How to set it up. Start by picking your cohort trigger, usually an install date. Then break users into daily or weekly groups. Track metrics like day 1, day 7, day 30 retention, session length, in-app purchases or conversions, uninstalls. Use tools like Google Play Console, built-in retention cohorts, Firebase Analytics, Mixpanel or Amplitude for deeper product insights. App Store Connect's retention trends, limited but helpful. How to use cohort data for ASO. Let's say your day 1 retention is solid, but day 7 is weak. That tells you your listing is aligned with user expectations, but your onboarding or core experience needs work. Now tied to ASO, are certain keywords attracting short-term users only? Are users from paid ads churning faster than organic? Do users from localized listings retain better than global ones? Use this data to refine your keywords and creative assets. Prioritize updates that impact retention. Kill campaigns that drive empty installs. Real-world example. An app ran 2 custom product pages. One focused on budgeting, another on bill reminders. Both had similar install numbers, but the budgeting cohort had 50% higher day 30 retention. The result? They shifted their messaging, rebuilt their screenshots, and focused on budget-first features. Lesson: cohorts don't just show who converts, they show who stays. Final thought. Cohort analysis is your ASO lie detector. It cuts through vanity metrics and shows you what's actually working. When you optimize for retention, not just clicks, you unlock compounding growth and long-term visibility. In our next and final video, we'll tie it all together with the ASO growth flywheel, your system for scaling wins, forever. But first, go check your retention by cohort. Who's sticking and who's silently slipping away?